Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? I hope you are enjoying your holiday season thus far. I can definitely say that I am. This Christmas weekend, I had the pleasure of not only going to see my mother, but enjoying some quality time with her and getting to see something that I've never had a chance to see before. We jumped in the Batmobile, or her Batmobile, set out to tackle the adventure of going to see not only the Hoover Dam, but also Lake Mead, all in one swoop. And I can say that it was an amazing experience, something that I never do when I go to Vegas. And I've been to Vegas 1,000 times. Never once thought, let me just take a couple hours out the day, shoot this way, and go see something I've never saw before. And it was definitely a breathtaking experience. But of course, I'm not gonna sit here and talk you to death. I got the footage. You know I got the footage. Check out the footage of me and my mom's little road trip to check out Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. Breathtaking, absolutely breathtaking. It was, I was in awe. I was in amazement. The scenery, the mountains, I was left speechless, like I am now. I definitely enjoyed it. My mom definitely enjoyed it. I'm glad we had that chance to spend that quality time together and go check it out for the first time. It was amazing. We had fun. And I'm glad I got the footage. Yes, I definitely can say I had a very, very Merry Christmas. But you already know I ain't got time to sit here and talk with y'all. I got to get ready to get the clippers pumping. Another thing about that trip, I definitely have a newfound rejuvenation. My mind feels clear. I'm fully rejuvenated. I'm ready for the action. It's back to work. Let's get it. Until next time, I'll see you.